How to put text behind a person in CapCut. Let's get into it. To get started, we need to select our clip in CapCut and then press either Command or Control C on our keyboard and then either Command or Control V on our keyboard. This is going to duplicate our clip. Now it's very important that we don't adjust this duplicated clip. Next, what we need to go ahead and do is create a text layer. We can do this by going up to Text and then coming in to choose any of these text options. I'm just going to choose default text. I'm going to drag this into my video like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and customize this text. Okay, so with our text fully customized, we're going to go ahead and put the text behind the person. We can do this by simply selecting our text layer and bringing it in between our two video layers. We then need to go ahead and click on our top video layer and then come into Video, choose Remove Background and choose Auto Removal. This is going to process the video and remove the background. With that done, we can now see that we have successfully placed the text behind the person in our video. I'll just scrub through this right now so that you can see the full video. And that's all there is to it.